Hello guys, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Yarina and today we will draw cats. So first of all, we will start with this cat and I want to start with the normal thing. You can see that first thing you have to do is to draw a circle. It's very easy to do this type of thing to position the nose and the ears. This is a short tutorial you can put on break, on pause, and you can do it step by step with me. But you will see later that when we get to the coloring part, I put some speed up just for you not to wait so much after this, because you can choose your own colors when it comes to coloring. I like to add here the nose and I like to add the two dots. Of course, if you look at the reference photo, those are a little up. But the main thing about this video is that I want you to have fun and to see that you can also draw cats. Anyone can draw cats. There's not so hard to draw. I would recommend you to always use a reference just to keep things, in perspective and to add things where they need to be added. This is the first cat, as you can see. Now I'm doing the black part. I'm putting my black. I love to give this type of black as a contour before coloring. And now we will just skip and speed up this coloring process. This is the first cat. It's very easy to draw. Add your personality in it and you can choose your own colors. Of course, you can also contact me on Instagram to show me, even tag me. I would love to. My Instagram is white purple cactus. And see, it's easy. Everyone can draw a cat. The second cat, I love this one. I love her position. And as you can see, yes, we start again with the basics. These are the basics that I like to start with when I draw cats. Of course, you can go back and forth, add, delete things depending on what you like. This is one of the advantages of digital art because you can go back, but even if you use a crayon, nothing can happen. You can just erase and start over. You are not your drawing. So if your drawing is not nice and you consider it a failure, remember you're not a failure. You just need more practice. Everyone can draw cats. The best thing about cats is that after you can take this sketch that I'm making right now, and then you can add your own colors. You can actually change the shape of the nose and color of the eyes and even the cat's patterns. The most important thing is to enjoy the process and to see that you can actually draw cats. I made a little heart because, yeah, take care of yourself and be nice to yourself. Don't judge yourself when it comes to drawing. This is one of my favorite cats, the third one, because she has such a cute ear. Yeah, I didn't put the lines where it's supposed to be, but don't judge yourself and just take the basics that you like in that drawing and then just reproduce it. And as you can see, you can just erase things, change things. This should not rob you from the happiness of drawing. Nothing is unchanged. Here I was trying to position the eyes like you see in the picture, in the photo, but I didn't like it, so I just restarted. I also like to let the black marks in my drawings, even though it's like you can see the sketch. I like that it makes it more organic and somehow it makes it look like it's a circle. As you can see, this cat is a little more skinnier and she has a more not square face, more like a face with a strong angle. And also when it comes to this type of things that you can see here, the patterns, you just have fun with them because doesn't have to be 100% how is in the photo. Why not be creative and use this like a pattern exercise? Why not get wild and do whatever you feel like that drawing is needs right now? I like doing this cat a lot, especially the eyes. She has such a wonderful eyes. And also the background. It's most importantly not to take yourself too serious. Just look at the cat. See here, this head shape, because she has the open mouth, is more like a triangle. So in this situation, you just draw directly the triangle shape just to make your life easier. And of course, here I like to start with the mouth because it's, for me, it's the center of this photo. This is not the first time that I'm drawing this way, but it's the first, I don't know, fifth time when I'm drawing a cat with open mouth, and they look so cute. You can actually lose yourself in this picture. She looks so adorable. In all of these pictures, I actually decided to include speed up coloring and also some backgrounds, because I think also for you, just to appreciate more your art, just put some background, put some color there. Enjoy everything. If you want to put pink, no problem. So here I just put some black where I felt the need that it needs some details. I think I forgot, I could have also added here some teeth, like the big face teeth they have, but yeah. Thank you so much for joining me. You can send me your drawings on Instagram. Have a nice day. Bye.